Hey there Discord users, welcome to Tech Basis, and today we are taking our Discord game to the next level with custom stickers. As we can directly upload custom stickers from the Discord app, I'm going to show you a handy trick to add your own creation directly from your mobile device. First of all, open your mobile browser and head over to the Discord website. Now here's the key part. Tap on 3 dots in the corner and enable desktop site. This will give you the full Discord experience on your mobile browser. Now log into your account by tapping Open Discord in your browser. Now go to your server page and you will see a downwards arrow beside the server name. Tap on it and navigate to the server setting. Now find the Stickers tab and tap on it to open it. You will have 5 free slots to upload your stickers. Just tap on Upload Sticker. From here, tap on Browse and tap on Files and choose your custom stickers. Here I already have a custom sticker. Make sure it is a .png file for the best result. Now select a related emoji. Here I'm just gonna select this one and give a sticker a name. And you can leave the description empty and just hit upload. As you can see, my sticker has been uploaded. Now head back to the Discord app and on your server, open the emoji tray. Switch to the Stickers tab and you should see your custom sticker right here, ready to be used. And there you have it. You can add some serious sticker flair to your Discord chats on mobile. Remember, you can only upload custom stickers through the desktop view, but once they are uploaded, you can enjoy them from anywhere. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Leave a comment if you have any question regarding this topic or any other Discord troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, guys.